Here's Microsoft Excel, and let's see why these two numbers are not added together down here. So this field has its own command. It should make a sum out of those numbers, but for some reason it's not doing it. So click on the first number and notice there's a comma, and in English the decimal is not the comma but the point. So replace that comma up here, delete it, and insert a point there and press enter. Now that was added, the 558 is here, but the second number is still not added. There we don't have just numbers, but we have letters also. So click on that, delete that I, E and L and press enter. And now those were added together. 500 and 300 equals 800. This initially had a comma, but that one already had a dot, so here only the text had to be deleted. And now the two values were added together. If I would add another one here, let's say 100, and press enter, then instead of 800 now I have 900.